What's up everyone, welcome to yet another YouTube tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how do you turn off shuffle on Spotify. So without further ado, let me just turn on my Spotify real quick. And now I already had the song playing. Let's just skip ahead and just go to my home page and just come to where you would start when you first open your Spotify. Now, what is shuffle? Shuffle is basically when you have made a playlist and the songs just play randomly, like they're not in an order that you added the songs in. For example, if you added one song, then you added the second, the third. So if I had to shuffle, the first one will play and then the third one will play, skipping the second one. So it is quite easy to do this. You go to your library, you select a playlist, and now right next to the play button there is a shuffle button. So toggling on that would basically turn off shuffle. You see the green, when this symbol becomes green, that means the shuffle is on, and when it's not, then it means the shuffle is off. So that is pretty much all you need to know in order for you to turn on or off the shuffle on a Spotify's playlist. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.